Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. In this video today we're going to be discussing business process outsourcing, as the title implies. That's going to be the topic of this video. What are we talking about in the context of business process outsourcing? Well, things like certain accounting functions. In many cases we have clients that we provide business process outsourcing services with respect to work permit issuance, business visa application, and business visa maintenance. We also assist in various aspects of dealing with what's called Thai Social Security here in the Kingdom. We may also have to deal with things like the Revenue Department with respect to things like tax certification. We also may have to deal with things like regulatory compliance in a business context. So for example, our food and beverage clients may need things like alcohol licenses or restaurant licenses, these types of things. Though this all kind of falls under the rubric of business process outsourcing. Specific to accounting services, we have an accounting division that deals with various degrees of accountancy and business consulting assistance. And by various degrees, I mean some of our clients need relatively I should say they don't need as much hands-on support with respect to things like internal bookkeeping, internal auditing, maintenance of internal cash books, cash accounts, just general, business operational matters. Some need more assistance in those things, some need a lot less. It also depends on the nature of the client in question. So in general, what we're dealing with when we're talking business process outsourcing are kind of, the things that are more mundane, that deal kind of more in a regulatory sense with maintaining the operation of one's business, but that really isn't one's core or one company's core business objective. So if a company is in the business of creating, television sets, they don't really want to spend 18% of their time and resources on regulatory compliance, accounting compliance, tax compliance, work permit compliance, visa compliance, these kinds of things. That's where business process outsourcing services come in rather handy, is somebody like us can take down the relative time spent on dealing with those sort of side issues, side matters, and can put that company back on track to undertaking its core business objectives, to actually, in this case, for example, this hypothetical, making television sets. If that's what they do, well, let's get them back to spending all their time making television sets rather than worrying about all these matters, which is something that a firm like ours is designed to handle and provide in such a way that it's efficient as well as hopefully quick, but also in such a way that we can liaise between foreign business people in such a way that they can fully understand exactly what the ramifications are with respect to various decisions made with respect to certain regulatory compliance, and they can also understand timelines, timeframes, and just the overall implications of the various business processes that may also touch upon regulatory and legal compliance. They'll understand they'll have a full spectrum understanding of the overall situation so that they can be better informed and make better decisions with respect to their business.